Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the foods you eat can drastically influence your body's pH levels? Just like we want to maintain a healthy weight and blood pressure, balancing our internal pH is crucial for overall health. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of alkaline foods and exploring 12 powerful options you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with leafy greens, the MVPs of an alkaline diet. We're talking about spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, arugula. The more variety, the better. These nutritional powerhouses are bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that not only promote alkalinity, but also support overall health. Think of leafy greens as your body's natural detoxifiers. Next up, we have cucumbers, the ultimate hydrating heroes. These refreshing veggies are incredibly alkalizing and a great addition to your diet. Cucumbers are made up of mostly water, which helps flush out toxins and keeps you hydrated, further supporting a balanced pH level. Now, who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and packed with healthy fats that promote an alkaline environment in your body. Plus, avocados are incredibly versatile. You can add them to your salads, smoothies, sandwiches, or simply enjoy them on toast with a sprinkle of sea salt. Let's talk about bell peppers. These colorful veggies are packed with nutrients, especially vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in supporting your body's natural detoxification processes, which are essential for maintaining an alkaline environment. Broccoli, it's the superhero of the vegetable world. This cruciferous powerhouse is well known for its cancer-fighting properties and is also a fantastic alkalizing food. Broccoli is packed with fiber and sulfur-containing compounds that support your body's natural detoxification processes. Don't underestimate the power of celery. This often overlooked vegetable is a hydration hero and a surprisingly good source of alkalizing minerals. Celery is made up of mostly water, making it incredibly hydrating and beneficial for flushing out toxins. This one might surprise you, but lemons, despite their tart and acidic taste, actually have an alkalizing effect on the body. Lemons contain citric acid, which gets metabolized by the body and leaves behind an alkaline residue, helping neutralize excess acidity. Garlic, the culinary rock star, is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health, especially when it comes to promoting an alkaline environment. Garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds that support detoxification and reduce inflammation in the body. Ginger, the warming and soothing spice, is well known for its digestive benefits and also plays a role in promoting an alkaline environment. Ginger contains gingerols, powerful compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that help calm the digestive system and reduce inflammation. Almonds are a nutritional powerhouse, providing a good source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and important vitamins and minerals. Their alkaline-forming properties, combined with their impressive nutrient profile, make almonds a fantastic addition to an alkaline diet. Berries, those little bursts of flavor, are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health, thanks to their high antioxidant content. By fighting free radical damage, berries indirectly support a more alkaline environment. Last but not least, we have watermelon, the ultimate summer fruit that's not only incredibly hydrating but also surprisingly alkalizing. Watermelon is made up of mostly water, which helps flush out toxins and keeps you hydrated. So there you have it, 12 incredible alkaline foods that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can significantly impact our body's internal environment and promote overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching.